the Claimlane AI agent becomes this orchestration layer for handling the complex cases. So what we're doing is we're looking at all the data, we're using the context provided by the customer, we're using all the insights we have from previous and old tickets, and then we're putting it into this smart and structured workflow that we already have designed, right? That means we can now easily communicate with our suppliers that have already been connected to Claimlane. We can issue refunds or replacements because we have integrations with our ERP systems or e-commerce systems, and much more. So we're basically working efficiently while also creating smart workflows at scale where we can always track and manage what's going on. So the outcome of all of this is basically on a ticket, when you're working with the customer, you will get a detailed action plan of how it works. And now I will show an example of what this looks like inside of Claimlane in our demo environment. So we are now inside of a ticket in Claimlane. In this case, we have a customer that has submitted a warranty claim. We can see all the customer details as well as the data they have provided. In this case, we can see that there's an image of a bag and seeming with some zipper issues. The customer has provided some description of the fault. So now typically as a human agent, we would be evaluating this and making an assessment of whether this is a valid claim or not. This is where our first rules comes in. Then we would assess the issue and be like, what is actually the best outcome for this customer in this specific case? And this is where our agent can help us. So if we look at the agent here, first of all, it will summarize the customer. And well, this is a demo ticket. So this customer has had 53 tickets in the past. Quite unusual, I assume, but nonetheless, very good context for how we would help this customer. We can also see patterns about what type of issues it has been and what type of products it has been. Then we can see issues about the specific hiking backpack, and it will then start suggesting actions. And actions are basically, we think you should send this customer a message. And then it will detail why, based on the rules that we have created. Following that, it would suggest that we forward this case to the supplier in order to get a refund or whatever is relevant in that specific case. If you're thinking here, this actually doesn't quite make sense in terms of how I think it should behave, then we can just let the AI know here and it will actually learn from it.